This is Kimon Onuma and BIMstorm Enlighten. In this session, we'll talk about Project Generator using Program2BIM. On the Program2BIM website, under the Project Generator tab, it outlines the 3 steps that are needed. Step 1, download a sample Excel template. This is typical of the Excel templates used by the Department of Veterans Affairs for healthcare facility planning, but we can use it for other types of projects as well. Step 2, you can make minor edits. It lists spaces and you can change the square footage or even the name of the space and other attributes. It's kind of like a finished schedule. Step 3, upload it to the BIMstorm site on Program2BIM, located on a site, and generate a project. So let's start with step 1, grabbing the Excel file. The Excel file looks like this. It has multiple tabs. On the first tab are instructions. Basically gives you a background and then also tells you which fields you can edit on the second tab. If you go to the second tab, it's a list of spaces, and the third tab is a list of all the equipment in the spaces. So there's actually quite a bit of data here, even for a small building. So here are all the spaces, and I've hidden some columns that I'm not using right now. But you can see in the outline here that there's information on each row of the type of space, and there's even owners of what they're calling a global unique ID, which they want to maintain. So the VA in this case are saying, they're saying that you should leave this data in here as you're editing and changing the project and working on the design of the project. So this is a row with the names of the spaces here, the size, and green you can actually edit the area. So if you as a designer decide that you don't want this isolation bedroom to be 360 square feet, you can change it to 380 square feet. The original square footage remains, but you can change the other square footage there. And there's a lot of other attributes. You can explore them on your own. Save this Excel file. Go back to Program2BIM. And on step number 3, you do need an Onuma System free account. You'll get one with BIMstorm. And let's put this in Washington, D.C. This is a map. You can just search, zoom in and zoom out, or search the map. So we searched the map here. There's Washington, D.C. We're going to let's put it right on the mall for now. So you can grab the polygon tool and select a site. This is a temporary, just a quick sketch of where you might put this project. Let's call it DC Clinic. Give it a name and go and choose the Excel file. I've left this Excel file on my desktop. And you hit proceed. And within a few seconds, it's uploading that entire Excel file, generating a building information model by looking at the owner's database of the spaces and equipment that are current, and looking at the prototypical templates that are stored as BIM. And there you go, it's ready to be looked at. And you can log into the Onuma system and view it. There's the building on the mall. You zoom in. You will get a free account by joining the BIMstorm for 3 months. You'll be able to edit here, and from here you can continue to work in the Onuma system or go out to other tools. I'm going to turn on the components, the equipment, so you can see the equipment that has come in from that request. This is automatically generated, so you can take it out to Revit, SketchUp, or other tools, or continue just to edit directly in Onuma. So you can move the spaces around, etc. Future sessions will go into more detail on how you can actually work with this model.